What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jimmy back with another reaction video. Back with another Pistol Annie's reaction video. The name of this video is Hell on Heels. Now, in my opinion, this song Hell on Heels, I think they're talking about themselves. Like they're referring to themselves as being like considered hell. I could be wrong. We're gonna figure it out though as we go along. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. Let's get right into this reaction. Before you hit the like button, subscribe, turn notifications on, check out merch, link down in the description below. Social media channels are also down here. Follow if you guys want. Sister Justice requests for DMs are open. Let's get into this video. Screen. Yeah, my lyrics right here. But yeah. Okay, old school setting, I like it.
I'm hell on hill, say what you will. I done made the devil a deal. He made me pretty, he made me smart, and I'm gonna break me 1,000,000 hearts. I'm hell on hills.
So I was right, they're referring to themselves as they're hell on heels. Okay, they said made a deal with the devil. And he made me pretty, made me smart, and I'm about to break 1,000,000 hearts. Okay.
A deal. He made me pretty, he made me smart, and I'm gonna break me 1,000,000 hearts. I'm hell on heels, baby, I'm coming for you. This diamond ring on my hand's the only good thing that came from that man. Got a GTO from one named Joe and a big piece of land down in Mexico. I'm hell on heels, baby, I'm coming for you.
I don't know, I'm not gonna say what I wanted to say. We'll just keep let the song go.
Baby, I'm coming for you. I got a pink guitar, Lincoln Town car from what's his name? I met in a bar, got a high-rise flat in Hollywood from a married man, wouldn't look to no good. I'm hell on heels, baby, I'm coming for you.
Okay, so yeah, I'm going to say what I was going to say the first time. They're they're basically using these men to get things out of them. That's what I'm getting right here. The first one says she got a diamond ring. Oh, that's the only good thing that came from him. A GTO, which is a car, and some land down in Mexico. And then she said she had a Lincoln Town car, a pink guitar. Don't remember the dude's name. She said, "Oh, what's the name at the bar?" That's tough already. And then what else did she say? Got a high-rise flat in Hollywood from a married man. Okay.
I'm hell on heels, baby, I'm coming for you.
See what the next one get.
Then there's Jim, I almost forgot. I ran him off, but I took the yacht. Poor old Billy, bless his heart, I'm still using his credit card.
No. We're not about to do this today. What's going on here? She said, then there's Jim. I almost forgot. Like, she almost forgot about the dude. Like, he was... They're using these men to get things out of them. That's tough. Then she said, Billy, she still uses his credit card. Billy, cancel your card. What you got going on, Billy?
Ran him off, but I took the yacht. Poor old Billy, bless his heart, I'm still for you.
He's using these men, sugar daddy. Man, please. That's tough, bro. That is tough. I am subscribed, right? Oh, I'm not subscribed. My bad. But wow, man. It's tough. Yo, they was just using these men, and these men were just like letting it go. She said, I'm still using his credit card. That one got me. That one got me. Dang, man. Dang. But yeah, I was right about like what I thought it was gonna be about. Yeah, they're saying that they're basically the devil wearing heels. Right? Like, oh man. I on a scale of 1 to 5, like that's my rating now. I gotta give that 4.5 to 5. Like, I like how they structured the song. I wanted to say that. How like it was like they all had a verse instead of like it just being a verse and a chorus and a verse and you know what I mean? They all the verses went back to back to back. I kind of like how they did that. I don't know, that's just me. But anywho, that's gonna do it for this video. If you have any more suggestions from them, definitely let me know down in the comments or DM me, whichever one is easy for y'all. Hit the like button, subscribe to notifications. Until next time, you guys. Peace.